Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Timber's ticking. Last chance to hit those likes. Let's get the party started. What's going on, guys? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Welcome to the stream, man. What's up? What's going on, Dale? What's going on, Keith? What's up, Slick Rick? Interactive, Bigton, Gerald. What's going on, guys? Hope you're having a fantastic day. Bitcoin is getting a move back up to the upside, 23,179. What's going on, man? What's going on? What's going on, Fahid? What's going on, man? All right, Bitcoin. What are we forming? Looks like, we'll jump onto the regular charts here in just a second, but looks like we're kind of forming a little bit of a falling wedge, which we know what a falling wedge does. Falling wedges break to the upside a lot of the time. We know they do, right? We literally know they do. We know they do. All right, so let's jump onto the charts, man. Let's jump onto the charts. Let's freaking get busy, all right? What's going on? What's going on? You guys notice anything new about me? Let me know if you like it. I think it looks pretty good, man. Let me know if you like the new hair. I did decide to change it up a little bit. Let me know if you like it. It's fitting. It's fitting for the times that we're in. It's kind of a happy color. You know what I mean? What's going on, Bruno? Juicy, what's going on? All right, 23,247. Are we going to pump up out of the wedge? Let's find out, man. These have a 68% of the chance to break out to the upside, right? Everyone's looking for lower prices. Is your boy looking for lower prices just yet? I'm not looking for lower prices just yet, my friends, all right? Not just yet, because we're testing some important areas, man. What's going on? Yeah, it's cool. Not too overpowering. Nice, dude. You guys actually think it's cool. All right. All right. Well, I got bad news for you guys. I got bad news for you guys. You idiots! It's not real. It's not real, you idiots. Jordan's not getting pink hair. Now, there's nothing wrong with pink hair, okay? There's nothing wrong with that. I want to make that known. There's nothing wrong with pink hair. I would never get it, though. And Jordan doesn't have pink hair, okay? You really believe that? Idiots, man. No, but, all right, let's see. 23,300. Let's see if we can get back over this resistance, guys. We're coming back up to test it as we speak. I had a feeling we were going to get some price action on the stream today. I really, really did, man. I really, really did. All right, here we go. Here we go. Let's see if we get it. We'll go back over there in just a second here. Let's see what we do here. Ethereum, we're testing some big levels, man. I want to jump right into the charts today. We're not going to waste any time, right? No time with this. We got 56 minutes into the daily close. Guys, we're at an important level for BTC. Why are we at an important level? You guys can see that we're testing major supports. What are these major supports? Well, we talked about how we want to hold the 50 EMA, the daily 50 EMA. Look what Bitcoin did today, right? You got a big wick below the daily 50 EMA. You got back above it, right? And now you are back above it as we speak, right? It was looking a little shady for a second. We dropped all the way down to 22,800. It was looking a little shady, okay? Probably more shady than Alex Becker does on a Friday night, man. What's going on, guys? I'm the sexiest guy in crypto. It's Alex Becker. You know what I'm saying? I'm not shady. Just because I wear a hood and glasses inside does not mean that I'm shady. I'm just cool enough to pull it off. You guys just can't wear a hood and glasses inside because you guys still live in your mom's basement. And you will because you didn't accumulate crypto at 17K like I did. You bunch of idiots. All right. I'll catch you guys later. I'm probably at your mom's basement house or probably when I'm in your room banging your mom. All right. See ya. Shout out to Alex Becker. All right. But we're back above that 50 EMA. Right, so that's the big level we want to hold today. Not only that, all right, but as of right now, it looks like Bitcoin also did on the weekly time frame, right? Obviously, we got a long week to go. It's only Monday. But it looks like we did come back down and wick to that 200-week moving average and also try to get a bounce from there as well, as you guys can see right here. So let's go back to the charts here. Are we going to break this resistance? Because we know, we talked about it, man. The falling wedge breaks to the upside 68% of the time. I wish it was 69%. I'm going to be quite frank. I wish it was 69% because 69 is such a better number, right? For multiple different reasons it is. You know what I'm saying? What's going on, Prubrick? Prubrick said we missed the bottom, fellas. What's going on, Clayton? Am I about to buy the top? I don't recommend FOMOing, okay? You do you, my friend. You do you, but I don't recommend FOMOing. Let's see what happens here, though. 15-minute time frame. You might have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful W formation in the works here. All right, let's see if it plays out. But so far, so good. We got to get a little bit more juice, but we do have that first hit to the downside, rise up, second hit to the downside. Now we're getting that second rise, right? We need to see this W formation break on the 15-minute. And if this comes up and it tests the previous highs, that's also going to break us out of our wedge formation. All right, so we got some decent things on the charts. I would say that. I would say that the majority still thinks that we're just going to dump from here just straight to the downside. I'm not convinced. I think at the very, very least, we will see a move up here. And it's just a question of, are we going to be able to break the previous highs, or this? It's just going to be one big giant, okay? One big giant M formation here. That's the big question that we're going to go into, probably today into tomorrow, right? But we'll see if it breaks out right now. We'll see if it breaks out. John said, Jordan, are you driving up price again? I would never drive up price, my man. Hold on, let me take a sip of water here. Guys, by the way, I am drinking tap water. Okay, I have retired from the jugs. Okay? And no, we're not talking about those jugs. Oh, here comes Jabba. He was talking about those jugs, man. Jugs! I love jugs. Speaking of jugs, Melissa! Jordan's talking about jugs, and now I crave them. Hey, where are you? Are you hiding on me? Oh, you were under my fat the whole time? Let me see you. Oh, there you are. I didn't know you were under my fat. Wow. Hey, Melissa. What's going on? Not those jugs, but I am drinking tap water, man. Dan said sus. The reason why I am is because The only reason I wasn't is because the last time I drunk it, I thought I got sick because of that. But I've actually been pretty good today and yesterday. So that's a good sign. That's a good sign that I'm not sick, right? A lot of you guys probably want me to be sick. All right, let's see what else we got. So 23,285. Come on, BTC. All right, we need all the bulls in the chat to see if we can break this to the upside right now, guys. All right, because we are holding some key levels. Bitcoin right here on the daily, holding that 50 EMA like we said. 4-hour time frame. Look at also we're doing on the 4-hour. We want to hold all these moving averages here. We get the 50 EMA on the 4-hour time frame. Bitcoin drop below it, now trying to get back above it as well. All right, so, you know, we still got this 4-hour vector candle right here. Okay, we got this 4-hour vector candle right here. Are we gonna come back down and take that? We could, right? We don't have to do it right now, right? If you guys follow Tino, we do come back down and take those vectors at some point. But the question is, do we do it now, or do we come up first, you know, and then come back down to the downside? That's the big question. We look at our stock RSI. Our stock RSI is bottomed out on the 4-hour time frame. We look at our hourly, right? Hourly did cross to the upside there, right here. Okay, so we do got some momentum to the upside right now. All right, we look at a couple of these other things here. 15-minute coming back up here. Let's see, 23,306. We want to see Bitcoin on the 15-minute time frame get back above, right? Really the W formation highs at 22,500, but we're coming back up quick here. 22,329. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. All right, looks like we're poking our head above the wedge. Can we break the 50 EMA now? That's the big question. All right, I need all the bulls in the chat right now. Where's all my bulls in the chat? Bulls! We have awaited this day after a 4-day pullback. We've been pulling back in price for the last 4 days. I cannot take another day of a pullback. So if you want to be a true Viking and a true bull during these times, we must pump right now and break out of this mere wedge formation that Jordan has drawn on his chart like a 5-year-old. Okay? So spam the sword and sand the shields in the chat so we do not have to go through another day of a pullback. If you cannot find the sword and shield emoji, simply type sword in the chat. Pump it. Pump it. Come on, man. Let's pump. I'm trying to pump right now, man. I'm trying to get it pumped up. Let's see. Do we got any momentum in the upside? Let's see. Sarah said, God, this is like, I don't know what that means, Sarah. Crypto said, you look sick in red. How do I look sick in red? Yesterday I looked orange, now I look red. Slick Rick with the ghost coming in. All right. I don't know what that means. Is it ghost bullish or bearish? Crypto Fever said Savvy's going to the mall to shop at Abercrombie. Okay. Richard, I don't know what that means either, man. We got Turtle and Bunny. Okay. We got some interesting emojis coming in the chat. Okay. Let me take a sip of water here. Come on, man. Pump us to the upside here. All right. So right now, all is good, right? All is good. We are holding that at the time being. The question is, we're going to hold it on the close, right? We still got 49 minutes. We got a long way to go here. We are not out of the woods yet. We got 49 minutes until the close, guys. To close above 23,224, which is the 50 EMA on the daily. All right. Let's see. 200 moving average looking pretty good. We're still above that. That's all good. What's going on, Derek Scott? He said, it's me again. How much Bitcoin could a Bitcoin bit if a Bitcoin could bit Bitcoin? No, that is a mouthful, man. Guys, at home, try to say this 3 times fast. How much Bitcoin could a Bitcoin bit if a Bitcoin could bit Bitcoin? How much Bitcoin could a Bitcoin bit if a Bitcoin could bit Bitcoin? How much Bitcoin could a Bitcoin bit if a Bitcoin could bit Bitcoin? Oh! Come on. All of it. You have to read it correctly this time. There we go, man. Let's get it. Shout out to you, though. Thanks for coming in and hanging out, dude. All right, so let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got. Ethereum, man. Let's see what ETH does here, too. ETH is at an interesting point. All right, just to go over to Ethereum real quick while we watch Bitcoin. Look at Ethereum, guys. All right, look at Ethereum. Lasher just said no. Oh, come on, man. Lazarus, come on, buddy. um, let's see. Let's get off this. Let's get off this. Come on, buddy. You know you like that. Hold on. Let me take a shot first. All right. So here's the thing for ETH. Ethereum, we know we had the big rise up for Ethereum. Okay. If we also take a look at what's going on for Ethereum, we have this blue box right. You see this blue box coming across right here? That is acting as support. So you got previous resistance trying to, at the moment, we'll see if it holds, but right now is trying to act as support. We got the 4-hour stock RSI. It's about to get the cross to the upside here. If we close where we're at right now in the next 48 minutes. All right, so we got some good things going on the Ethereum chart as well. Now, same thing for Bitcoin. We still have this yellow vector candle down here. Are we going to come back down and take it? We probably will at some point. Once again, the question is, right, you can see Ethereum might be forming some type of bull flag formation here. The question is, are they going to pump it up first to make a sort of a double high to come back down and come back down here? That's the big question that we're going to wait out for. And quite frankly, that's what everyone's wondering, right? Everyone's guessing we're going to go lower, higher. I will say this, though. I will say this. I will continue to have... I still got those little feeling in my gymborees, guys. I'm going to tell you right now, okay? Quick rant alert real quick, all right?
Rant alert.
I still got these feelings, like, deep in my... It's in my right testicle and my left testicle. Deep in there, okay? That this little pump is a little bit different than the last ones. You guys know I've been bearish as hell, but I still got these little numb gymborees in my balls, all right? So... let's see if we continue up here, all right? But I want to let you know how I feel, okay? I feel some type of way. I do. All right, Bitcoin's trying to come back over the 50 EMA. Does it have enough juice? Let's see. Coming back up to test that W formation. Let's see, man. Let's see. And the 4-hour time frame, can we make a bullish engulfing on the 4-hour time frame? If we close anywhere above, let's see. If we close anywhere above 23,326 will make a 4-hour bullish engulfing. So let's see if we can do that. You guys are probably looking at me like this. This guy is probably looking at me like this. Jordan, the only thing I'm going to engulf is your head on this friggin' fist. Shut up. I want the price to go lower. I did not accumulate lower. So I want the price to go lower. I want more time to accumulate. Okay? So if you talk about one more bullish engulfing candle, I'm going to engulf this fist right across your face, okay? It's going down. Continue the bearish narrative, okay? We want it to go lower, not higher. Shout out to all my bears in the chat, man. I think it's like 50-50. Either 50% of people want it to go down, 50% of people want it to go up. Who the frig knows right now, man? Everyone wants it to go up or down. All right, let's do this. Let's go over here. Holy majoli, man. There we go. We're back on track. We're back on track. Come on, BTC. Let's go back to ETH real quick. So we'll still watch Ethereum. We're trying to come back up. Nothing crazy at the moment, though. Nothing crazy. The big thing I want to watch, and this is the big one, man. This is the big kickaroo going into the rest of this week, guys. I mean, there's really multiple things on the longer term time frame charts, but if we take a quick look at total market cap, we know total market cap bounced perfectly off the 200 moving average, back at the bottom here. Since then, it's been green candles galore to the upside in the weekly time frame. The question is, this week, do we have enough juice to get back above the 200 EMA? Okay, because I will say this again, if we can't get back above that, it's the same thing we did in 2018. Right back here where we came back down to the 200, we came back up to the 200 EMA, we got rejected, came back down to the 200 again, and then continued up. Okay, but if we go back in the history, and it's only been twice, but both times we were able to reclaim the 200 EMA and the 200 SMA after dropping below them, it's been a hell of a ride to the upside. Okay, there's only 2 data points, so we don't have a lot of data here, but this total market cap have enough juice to get back over this 200 EMA. If it does, I think there's a good shot we come up to test the Ben Cowan special, the bull market support band, up here at 1.3 trillion. All right. What's going on, Mike? You looking dapper tonight. Are you having another dinner at Cheesecake Factory? Oh no, this is just like a Nike shirt, man. This isn't anything dapper. Trust me, I wish I could say I was dapper and actually be dapper, but I'm not actually dapper right now. I'm not gonna lie, man. I'm not gonna lie. Let's see. Bitcoin still chilling. Bitcoin still chilling like a villain. Bitcoin still chilling like a villain. All right. What else we got? So total, that's the big thing, man. That's the big thing. Total market cap gap back above this. We're right there. We're sitting right at what is it? 1.055 trillion, and the 200 EMA is at 1.07 trillion. So we're literally sitting right there. It's not going to take us a lot to get back over that. We know Bitcoin. It's sort of the same thing for Bitcoin. Looking at the weekly chart, it's in the previous markets, right? It's really been, can Bitcoin get back above the 200 EMA? Right now, it's at 26.7. So that one's got a little bit longer to go. We're not even going to talk about that one yet until we get closer to there. But let's ignore that one for now. Okay, we're not going to go there. All right, let's see what Bitcoin does here. So we did get the vector candle to the upside. Looks like we are getting a little bit of rejection here. Let's see what we do. We got a couple of yellow vector candles to the downside here. Let's see what Bitcoin does in the short term, guys. We're getting a little bit of volatility here, which is good. Just a little bit, just a tad. Clint said 2 data points after 10 years of data. Oh, boy. Hey, what could go wrong, Clint? What could go wrong? Nothing, buddy, nothing. All right, so a couple of the long-term charts. I wanted to bring up this. This is something that we haven't talked about in a long time. Quite frankly, we haven't talked this in a long time. Jordan, are we really going to talk about the MA extension again? That shit doesn't matter. Okay? The only thing that matters is the economy. The economy is shit. Okay? It doesn't matter where Bitcoin's at right now. Okay? Everyone's broke, including me. I don't got shit. You know why? Because I bought at 69K, and I'm not going to make that same mistake again. I'm waiting to 10K to buy. It's clear we're going there. Okay? It's clear. Now, let me enjoy my friggin' cigar while I sit here in agony. Okay? Thanks, Mike. But anyways, you guys said old guy. Yeah, that is old guy. That is old guy here. That is old guy. Let's go back over here. So Bitcoin on the weekly. I want. We haven't touched on this in a long time, so I wanted to touch on it again here, guys. Is this right here? All right. So looking down right here, where Bitcoin's bouncing in the past, and you're gonna find this on so many different indicators, man. And this is why indicators are indicators. Okay, take them for what you will. But let's look at the last time. So basically, this down here is something that I created myself. It wasn't that hard. Okay. It wasn't that hard, especially for someone who knows how to code. It's not that hard. But basically what this measures is how far you are extended from the 20-week moving average. So basically, as this gets lower, you're expecting less volatility to the downside, basically, right? If we look at where this is bottomed out, you guys see this, you guys can't really see this. Let me actually make this a little bit darker here so you guys can see like this. There we go. You guys see where this blue line is, okay? So basically, whenever the price action has gotten too far extended from the 20-week moving average, right? That tends to be the bottom, and it tends to be at the exact same point every single time, right? Right here back in 2015, we hit that blue box right there. That marked the bottom for Bitcoin, right? Right here in 2018, we got super overextended from the 20-week as well right here. That was the bottom for Bitcoin, right? If you look right here too, and I'm just pointing out what I'm saying, man. I'm not going to say that 100% the bottom is in. Okay, obviously, there's outside factors besides indicators. But if you look right there, Bitcoin hit that same level right there on the 20-week, and that's also where Bitcoin had its bottom on that weekly candle. So, listen, I'm preaching to the choir here. I'm only telling you what the charts are telling me, my man. Okay? But it is what it is. We'll see if it plays out again. If it does, and to be quite frank, the tops actually played out. I didn't trust my own indicator back up here. I will next time. Next time this tops out. Look at the tops. Look at the tops on this. Right here, that was the top. 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 Right? You double topped right here, but that was basically the top there. And then if it comes back up here again, I'm going to be paying more attention to this next time, but you get the general point. We'll see if it ends up being the bottom again. I don't know. It's just another indicator to look at. I mean, we only have so so many to look at. You know what I'm saying? So many to look at. So we'll get rid of that one, and we'll check that one as we go. Let's see. What's going on, Mayhar? Good to see you, man. Let me see you guys say in the chat. I thought Pi Cycle Suck Me was the indicator it was the bottom, or is that what you're saying? The Pi Cycle Suck Me has been the Pi Cycle Suck Me. The Pi Cycle Suck Me has been pretty good so far too, right? Nothing has changed. I mean, we haven't gone lower since we got the cross. You know what I'm saying? The show, so can we take it? Yeah, you can take it. We'll look at it every now and then on here too. It's nothing crazy. You know what I mean? All right, so Bitcoin sort of just chilling. We want to see where the close ends up. We still got, you know, like we said, we still got 37 minutes to the close. We want to see where this ends up in the next 37 minutes. It's going to tell us a lot, right? Where we close on the daily, where we close on the 4-hour time frame. But I'm liking look at the 4-hour time frame, man. I'm liking this cross to the upside here on the 4-hour stock RSI. I'm liking it, man. I like us get back over it. I want to see the bullish engulfing on the 4-hour though. Let's see. Overly bullish lately, boss? You finally get laid? No, man. Listen, I actually do like what I'm seeing, man. I do like what I'm seeing. I told you there'll be a time where if I do like what I'm seeing in the charts, I'll tell you. Now, if I'm wrong and we continue lower, it is what it is. Just be ready for both scenarios. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Full moon at the wick top? Nah, man. Nah, man. Look at Gala, by the way. Here comes Gala. All right, I'll see if it continues up. I did take some profits on Gala today. It's up about 12%, and the rest of the market's red. So shout out to all my guys. I know a lot of you guys got in on Gala down here when we talked about it the other day. Shout out to you guys. Make sure you take some profits, though, right? At the end of the day, maybe we go up a little bit higher, but at the end of the day, you got to trust this as being a bear market rally. So make sure on all these pumps, if you think we're still in a bear market, make sure you're not afraid to take profits on these pumps. That's what we've been saying, right? So don't be afraid to take profits, man. Don't be afraid. Let's see. Alex said, Mike. Everyone was bearish yesterday. Now they're all bullish. I don't think so. To me, I can see. Here's what I said the other day, guys. Here's what I said the other day, and why. Another reason why I'm slightly bullish.
Rant alert.
Okay. The other day, the past couple of days, as we've been moving up, I can see in the chat that a lot of people just want lower prices. What does that tell me? Okay, that tells me that, you know, people got a lot of stables and a lot of cash on the sidelines, and they want it to go lower. Okay, because I can see it. I can see in the chat. When we get pumps, I'm not seeing that same, that same excitement that I normally see when I see pumps. What does that tell me? A lot of people are on the sidelines right now. A lot of people are waiting for 14K, 10K right now. Okay? That's what that's telling me, man. Will we get it? Well, that's the question. If we go back down there, I mean, oh well, we'll be able to scoop. But I'm seeing a lot of signs that a lot of people are at least at the moment, stuck on the sidelines and are hoping and praying that it goes lower. That's what I'm seeing right now. I'm going to be honest. I'm going to be honest, man. Now, if it goes lower, I mean, who cares, man? You just scoop up more. But that's why you got to be making sure you're buying key levels, man. You got to be making sure you're buying key levels. Let's see. Clayton said, hey, you look normal today instead of a red shadow. That's facts. That's facts. Let's see. Against the herd? Got to be against the herd, man. I think people believe we hit bottom and they want it to go back down again. Yeah, I agree. Or many people are short. That could be the reason too. Art said that I'm one of those. at least you admit it. At least you admit it, Art. At least you admit it, man. Clint said facts. I'm totally on the sides. Listen, I'm not trying to like bash anyone. It's just that when I see the prices going up, and the chat is usually, you know, excited when the prices go up, and no one's really getting excited. That makes me bullish. That makes me think that a lot of people are, I would say, stuck in the sidelines, but because we still could go lower, right? I mean, listen, we're still in a bear market until proven otherwise. At the end of the day, as bullish as we might want to get, we're still in this bear flag, right? Until we break out of this bear flag right here, it's just the same, right? But, you know, at the end of the day, it's why we gotta, going forward, if Bitcoin does come back down here, which I think it will at some point, every bear market low has been a W formation, right? So even if Bitcoin comes up a little bit higher, right? I don't know if it does, but even if it does, I still expect it to come back lower again at some point. Why? Because that's what you typically see. So, you know, it is what it is. We'll see what happens next, and we'll go from there. Let's see. Can we ask George? We could ask George, my friend. Let's go ask George what he thinks. Let's go ask George what he thinks. I am George. We're all George. Guys, today, Bitcoin is looking strong right now, okay? You can see on the charts that Bitcoin has gotten a nice correction over the last couple days. And you can see that we're building a strong base here at about 23K. Now, based off what I see in the chat, okay, I'm seeing a lot of negativity actually on the pump, which makes me believe that we're going to go to the upside, okay? A lot of people want the price to go lower. Now, can we go lower? Absolutely. But I'm seeing just so many people want the price to go lower. I'm seeing a lot of negativity lately. And quite frankly, this makes me bullish, guys. Not only that, but if we actually take a look right here, another reason why I think Bitcoin gonna go up, guys. If you take a look here, this is super, super bullish. This is actually Jordan's indicator right here. This has marked the bottoms in the last two bear markets. This is the extension from the 20-week moving average, which has marked the bottoms in the last two bear markets. Okay? So if we take a look here, guys, I mean, this does look like the bottom. I think we're gonna go up. If you're on the sidelines, now you have to realize when you want to FOMO back in, and we are now back in a bull market, guys. We are going to probably 50, 60, 70K by the end of this year, by end of 2022. So strap up or strap on. We're going to the moon. And yeah, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. All right? Peace. Oh, no, let's do some Q&A. I forgot about Q&A. Let's do some Q&A, man. Let's do some Q&A. Jorge, don't start with the Jorge jokes, man. That was the funniest joke yesterday, I have to admit. I think it was AA who said that. He literally said, when I was orange yesterday, he said, "That's not George, that's Jorge." with the J instead of a G. That's hilarious. It's absolutely hilarious. Let's see. Let's see. Always try and time the bottom. Said chaotic. Nice, dude. Let's see. Let's see what you guys are saying. I'm seeing what you guys are saying in the chat, man. 16K. To be fair, you talked a lot about going lower when we hit 17K, but what did I say every single day, man? I say the same thing every single day. I don't care if it goes lower. I told you guys I did the biggest buy I've ever done at the 200-week moving average, okay? And I told you guys anything under the 200-week moving average is a good buy. Always. That's why I'm going to stick to that. Anything under the 200-week moving averages is a good buy, in my personal opinion, because the Bitcoin tends to not stay below the 200-week moving average for very long, right? I mean, it really hasn't. Its whole history, it's only been below the 200-week moving average for a few months, right? Back here in March of 2020, it was 1 week, bounced right back up, right? Right here in 2018, one little wick, bounced right back up. Right? I mean, this is something we've gone over consistently, man. You know what I mean? Right here. Wick below, right back up. Wick below, right back up. The only reason I think that we stayed relatively below it for a consistent period of time this time was just because, I mean, one, we're in a friggin' recession, right? The economy's in a recession. Two, you had Tesla dump like a crazy amount of BTC. We know what we did that to the upside last time, okay? And that caused like a huge cascading effect with freaking everything, man. I mean, that caused the cascading effect with 3AC, right? Freaking Celsius, Voyager, you know, everything came back down, right? So we'll see if it stays this low. I think this is more of just a correction to the mean, right? Which is probably somewhere in between the 200 and the, you know, I mean, the mean to me, probably where Bitcoin should be right now, in my opinion, is somewhere in this range, right? Somewhere in between the 200 moving average and the 200 EMA. That's typically where Bitcoin sits in a bear market. You know what I mean? Right here, man. It's typically right in this range. So, you know, we'll see what happens at the end of the day. But this is probably, this is my opinion, I think this is where Bitcoin should be. And it's probably, I think Bitcoin stays in this range. If it doesn't just drop now, I think it stays in this range for a considerable period of time. All right? Let's see. Rand alert. You got my cascade right here, Bam Bam. Nice, dude. Nice. When Bank of Canada spokesperson? When we pump, let's get it, man. Let's get it. When Bank of Canada? You want Bank of Canada? Here you go, buddy.
Basically, Bitcoin is clearly a scam. Cryptocurrency is clearly an idiot
BTC.
with no
Stop
common
around,
sense. Buddy. And scientifically speaking, according to a study at the Bank of Canada, more people who are financially illiterate invest in Bitcoin.
Let's see. We've completed the unicorn head pattern. The unicorn head is actually pretty good. Let's see what Market Makers has to say, man. Let's see what Market Makers had to say. No bid. Hold on. Come on, Steve. Oh, no, not Steve. Brendan, come on, buddy. Come on, Brendan. What's going on, guys? It's Brendan from Market Makers. I don't know what these glowing things are around me. Maybe it's because I'm the best trader on YouTube. If you want to follow the best trader on YouTube, Market Makers is the channel, guys. Market Makers. All right, let's see what Bitcoin's doing right now, guys. Guys, we have a bullish, and I mean bullish, bullish unicorn pattern as we speak right now. You guys can see the bullish unicorn pattern right now as we speak, guys. We have the massive, and I mean massive body right here. You see the massive body? Boop, 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 boop. We have the neck to the upside. We got necked. The price got necked to the upside, all right? Then what do you want to see? You want to see the head start to form. But the key for the bearish, for the bullish unicorn pattern, guys, the key for that is you want to see the horn. You see the horn right here? That's the key of the unicorn pattern. The giant horn on the head. And then we form the rest of the head. The bullish breakout is the massive move out the head up to the upside, guys. So we have the bullish unicorn. We are going to go to the upside. The measure move of the bullish unicorn, if you guys want to know the measure move, is the top to the bottom. We extrapolate this to the upside because this is what we do at the best traders on YouTube, all right? We come up here, we get our target of 27,300, all right? So once again, guys, follow the best traders on YouTube, Market Makers. I'll catch you guys later. If you want to join my trading group, it's literally only $200 a month. I'll show you guys how to use cup and handle patterns, okay? Falling wedges, symmetrical triangles, everything you guys want to know, $200 a month, I'll teach you, all right? Adios, my friends. Peace out. Thank you, Brendan. Thanks, buddy. Thank you for the bullish unicorn. It's funny, it is a bullish pattern usually. Bitcoin's still flirting with it though. It's being a little flirt with this falling wedge. I do have to say, man. Let's see. It looks like a snake. T-Money. So you guys say Loch Ness Monster. Nice. More like a Chinese snake, that one that in the parades. I guess a little bit like that. All right, so let's see what else we got here. Look at Gala, man. Let's get it. Come on, boys. I gotta get pumped up here, man. Come on. It's like the only thing pumping right now. Shiv's coming up a little bit too. Uni's trying to come back up too, it looks like. A little bit. Nothing crazy on uni. It's trying to come back up a little bit. That's really the only thing pumping right now. Come on, BTC. We want everything to pump. We need you to come up, buddy. If you pump, everything's going to pump. We know how this market works. Come on, bud. Let's go, man. Let's go. 23,365. Come on, buddy. Come on. All right, so we still got 23 minutes into the close, guys. We're really, I mean, what matters today to me is the 4-hour close and the daily close. A close anywhere above the 50 EMA, we're looking pretty good. We're looking pretty good at the moment. Now, that could change, but that's the level we've been wanting to hold, is get back above the 50, back test the 50, continuation to the upside. Same thing on the 4-hour time frame, right? Get back above the 4-hour, back test the 4-hour, hold it as support, continue back up. And also the 4-hour bullish engulfing candle, which is basically the 4-hour closing above the previous red candle, which usually leads to continuation to the upside. And the 4-hour stock cross to the downside. So I will say, man, listen, call me a moon boy. If I'm wrong, call me a moon boy. But I'm only telling you what I see on the charts, my friends. That's it. If I'm wrong, call me a moon boy. All right, let's see. I tell this to myself every day. So does Bob, man. Come on, little buddy. Come on. Come on, I'm horny. Come on, little buddy. You got this. You got this. Come on. It's just such a cute little candle. Wow, there you go. You're pumping. You're pumping. No, go back. No, you're going back down. Go up. Come on. Come on. It's not that hard. You're like 2 inches long. Come on. Christ, man, I can't even. Rocket Moon Boy. All right, here we go. 23,374. Come on, BTC. Get back above that 50 EMA. Stop playing around with our emotions, buddy. Stop playing around. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Let's see. What if you didn't have such a sharp top on that triangle? A sharp top? I don't know, man. Bob stopped out. Oh, by the way, guys, quick random question. You guys know I love these. Whoa! You guys know I love these random questions. What should Jordan get to eat tonight? Right? It's one of the most important questions I have to ask you guys. Not daily. I probably ask you guys this like once a week. Should Jordan get Indian food? We're talking chicken tikka masala, lamb vindaloo, something along the lines of that. Should Jordan get a burrito? Okay? Something along the lines of that. What should Jordan get to eat today? I want to know. Last time I took your consideration, and it went out pretty well. Let me know. I have a feeling Jordan failed geometry. I was actually pretty good at math. My worst subject was English, so you guys can clearly see how I talk to you guys. I'm not the best at, I guess speeches. You know what I mean? Dan said Indian, Greek, kebab, Greek lamb leg, Chipotle, Indian. Indian sounds awesome. You get takeout way too much. I actually don't. I actually, I'd say maybe once or twice a week, to be fair. I actually don't get takeout a lot. But butter chicken with naan bread. All right, you guys are saying you guys are saying Indian food. Tikka masala is so good. Chicken tikka masala is so freaking good, man. It just always hits the spot. You can't go wrong with it, right? You can't go wrong with really any Indian food, man. They're so. If you guys cook Indian food, you guys are so good at putting just spices and everything in the sauce, man. Holy moly. All right, let's go check out ETH. All right, so ETH's still just chilling at 1640. Everything's kind of, I think, waiting to see what Bitcoin does here, guys. Can Bitcoin have enough juice to get back over this W pattern here on the shorter term time frames? That's the question we're all waiting for right now, buddy. All right. Seafood, crab legs, lobster. Clint.
Rant alert.
Seafood. All right. Can I do a quick rant alert on seafood? You guys can agree or disagree with me. I don't give a flying F. All right?
Rant alert.
Seafood is overrated. Okay? In my opinion, seafood has no flavor. Now, I'm not talking like certain fish. I'm talking lobster, oysters, clams. Overrated. It has no flavor. in my opinion, the only reason why people eat seafood is because it's pricey and it makes you feel bougie. Okay? That's my honest opinion. I'd take a piece of chicken, a piece of steak, a piece of anything over seafood any day of the week. Okay? That's my take. You guys take it for what you will, man. Take it for what you will.
Rant alert.
Take it for what you will. Overrated, man. You're going to tell me you take a piece of steak over seafood? Hell no, bro. Hell no. All right. I had to get that out of my chest. Off my big chest here. My big hairy chest. Hummus and falafel dinner on me? Oh, I'm getting in your food just for you, buddy. Let's go. Appreciate you, buddy. Thanks for hanging out. Who was that? Oh, that was Bilal. Thanks for hanging out, dude. A piece of your mouth. I go crabbing and spearfishing. Seafood is mush. Sushi. No, I like sushi. Don't get me wrong. But even sushi, do I like it because of the seafood? No. I like it because of the rice and the soy sauce. If I'm going to be honest. Seafood hater, unsubscribed. Panic seller, you would never unsubscribe. You told me that every day, Meddy. You tell me that every day, bud. All right, so we're still waiting. Is anything else really cooking right now? Gala, man. It's hard for me to get off Gala, guys. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to get overly hyped about Gala, but it's the only thing that's moving right now, okay? Now it's up 13. I guess I got to get hyped over it again. I don't know what to tell you, man. I don't know what to tell you. Now, I'll tell you guys this. If Bitcoin can continue hot, Gala's looking awfully familiar to what it did over here. And listen, I'm not going to say it's going to do this. Okay? I don't think it's going to do this. Okay? But it's looking awfully familiar. All right? Don't FOMO it. Don't FOMO. I'm telling you. Do not FOMO. This is not me trying to pump up my back. Do not FOMO into Gala. Okay? It's just the only thing moving right now. So, I'm sure there's some other coins moving. Crypto bubbles. Chili's is pumping. Let's check out Chili's real quick. Chili's. Let's see what's going on over here on Chili's. Sell is moving too. All right, Chili's is moving. Here it comes. Here comes the yeah, Chili's is trying to move up. I would say be careful here on Chili's. Actually, no, Chili's got some room to run if it wants to. The question is, does it want to? That's the big question you got here. Gala's popping. Let's see. Yeah. So, I mean, Chili's looking good. Get a pump song going on Chili's. Why not, man? Here we go. Come on, buddy. Let's get it. Towards ever bullish FOMO now. Don't FOMO, man. The time to buy was a couple weeks ago. Okay? Come on. It already popped like a couple hours ago, but I'm getting hyped. I'm getting hyped on it anyway, man. We're getting hyped today. Gonna enjoy the green candles while we have them, I guess. All right, so let's see. Bitcoin came up to the 200 EMA. Got still a little bit of a rejection there. Okay, still a little bit of a rejection off the 200 EMA. Bitcoin still struggle with that 50 EMA here in the hourly. So nothing crazy going on just yet, guys. We got 15 minutes until the close of Bitcoin. Let's see. When nothing but latecomers are moving and everything else is down, look out. I guess that's relatively true, my friend. All in. Don't go all in, man. Don't do that. Don't do that, man. Jordan, check Floki. Oh, man, is Floki moving? I don't know if that's a good sign if Floki's moving. That's probably not a good sign, man. Not a good sign. Floki? I'll check Floki for you guys. Let's go check. Let's see. Floke. Oh, it's still, that's not how you spell Floki? Oh, okay. I totally knew that. All right. Floki Inu. Let's see what it's doing. Wow! I'm freaking rich! A 3x! All you haters hated on Floki Inu. I bought at the bottom, bitch! Come on!
freaking rich. Go to the store and get me a 60-pack of Milo, because I'm feasting tonight, baby. Come on.
Is that dumb? No, in all seriousness, big wick to the upside here. Getting a pretty gnarly pullback there, man. A pretty gnarly pullback. No, but in all seriousness, don't be foaming at the Floki either, man. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, yeah, you're coming back down on this bad boy. You got some pretty gnarly bearish div on the 4-hour time frame, but it's already playing out. Like, if you look at this, you got higher highs, you got lower highs on the 4-hour, right? So classic bearish divergence. Pretty classic, if you ask me. I'm a classic man. But yeah, I mean, usually this results in a pretty decent sized move to the downside. Where do you come back down to? I guess that's it's a good question, man. This chart's all jacked up, but you know, where do you come back down to? I mean, probably the 50 EMA and the 200 EMA are your targets there. Probably the 200, just because this moved up so much. Let's go check BTC. BTC still chilling below this little man. It's right now at the current moment. It is struggling with this wedge resistance. You guys see here, it got back above, wicked, came right back down. So still struggling with that resistance right now, guys. Still struggling with it. Crypto Kirby is feeling stupid. Why is Crypto Kirby feeling stupid, man? Why is he feeling stupid, buddy? Warning shots fired. There's only warning shots fired on the charts. Why is Crypto Kirby... Can someone answer this for me? Why is Crypto Kirby feeling stupid? Let's see. Because he is? God. Let's see. I would not be surprised with fresh lows on Floki. Yeah. BTC is limp. You said dump it. Stock markets today, I would say this, guys. If there's a point where the stock market's going to get rejected, the NASDAQ did come up to these previous lows, right? So the previous low, previous low, previous low, flip it as resistance, flip it as resistance. If the NASDAQ's going to get rejected anywhere, this is the point right here, all right? So we got to see where this comes to tomorrow, right? This is obviously previous low, previous low. This is probably the biggest resistance that the NASDAQ has until this big down trip here, all right? So we'll see where that comes to tomorrow. We'll check the futures in a little bit, see where those are kind of sitting. The DXY, guys, I mean, we talked about this on the member stream a little bit this morning, but the DXY is at such an interesting point, okay? The DXY is just continually. I mean, there's multiple things, right? It's come back down to test that 50 EMA. The DXY has not broken the 50 EMA on the daily since February, okay? Right now, it's sitting right on top of it. It's constantly gotten pullback, bounced, pullback, bounced, pullback, bounced, pullback. The question is now, and this is going to be make or break, in my opinion, for what Bitcoin does over the course of the next couple weeks, is you see this falling wedge formation, all right, which are typically bullish. Is this going to bounce back up off the 50 EMA and start coming back up again? Because a big reason why Bitcoin's been going up, because the dollar's been losing strength, man. So if this bounces right here and starts to come back up, that's going to be the point where Bitcoin starts to curl right back down to the downside, all right? We also have this upwards trending support line too, which we held since January, where we can test this every single time and every single back test. So we're at an interesting point for pretty much everything, right? For Bitcoin, for the dollar, for the NASDAQ, for the S&P. We're actually at an interesting point too, right? Previous highs, previous lows. Big point there for the S&P. If we can get back over this blue box here. Yeah, it's going to be an interesting rest of the week. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Why did I name all the days? I have no freaking clue. But it's going to be a really interesting rest of the week. Kennedy, what's up, buddy? Yo, what's good? Let's go, BTC. Let's go, BTC. Oh, by the way, we're going to have a contest in the Discord tonight after the stream, okay? What you guys will see is if you go in the Discord, you will find a section called contest, okay? Basically what I want you guys to do, and you only have one entry, okay? So if you put something in there, I don't want you changing it. Okay? I don't want you changing it. Okay? What I want you to do is I want you to go in there. Okay? And I'm going to take all your entries up until tomorrow afternoon. What I want you to do is I want you to go in there and tell me where you think Bitcoin is going to close by the dollar, where Bitcoin is going to close the weekly time frame. So go in there, tell me where you think Bitcoin is going to close this next weekly candle, okay? And whoever gets it closest is going to win the grand prize, okay? So we'll talk about what the grand prize is, okay? But make sure you go in the Discord, tell me where you think Bitcoin's going to close. I'm going to write everyone, or at least screenshot everyone's entries tomorrow afternoon, and whoever's closest is going to win the prize. All right, so make sure you go put it in there. You have until tomorrow afternoon, so get in there, my friends. Get in there. All right, so let's see here. Grand prize equals an old shoe on sock. An old shoe on sock. That's great, man. The Discord crate. Drop your Discord link. All right, hold on. I got you. Let me actually pull this on this side, like this. Someone said recession is bullish. Always has been. Recession is bullish. Let's see what we got here. Invite people. Let's get a fresh link. BTC sucks. I'm divorcing it. You'll be back. All right, let's see. Let's do unlimited cases, generate new link, copy. All right, here we go. Let's put this in there. B. Grand prize or a feet picks on a mug. No, I'm not going to tell you what it is yet. It's going to involve money, probably a gift as well. But trust me, it'll be worth the time. At least go guess in there. Okay? At the very, very least. Put your guess. You have until tomorrow afternoon. There's the Discord link, guys. I just put it in the chat for you. All right, boom, boom. Okay, boom. Jordan's sock is all crusty from the Bob sauce special. The Bob special sauce. That's disgusting, man. That's absolutely disgusting. All right, for 6 minutes. Let's watch the close here. Did I just see a dinosaur on the screen? You did, buddy. You did. You want to see a whale too? There you go. And I'm not talking about Java. You know what I'm saying? I'm not talking about Java here. What? I'm not a whale? That's a whale. I don't fly like that. Look, this is how I move. This is how non-whales move, okay? I'm not a whale. I'm not a whale. He said, did I see a dinosaur on the screen? All right, let's see what Bitcoin closes. All right, 5 minutes into the close, guys. In all seriousness, can we break back above this on the close? Can we have any more juice in the next 5 minutes? Are we going to close back above the 50 EMA, which we're sitting literally right on top? Look at this. Look at this back test, right? I mean, you got the big wick on the top and the bottom side, right? You came back up. You got back above it. We're looking to hold that on the close. That's at $23,224. We're literally $100 or less away from that right now. All right? It's going to be a battle for the close, guys. So I need all my bulls in the chat right now. Jordan, I'm not a bull. I'm not fighting.
I'm not fighting either. I want lower prices for Floki. I'm not fighting. Screw this.
I'm already wrecked. I'm wrecked. I'm not fighting. I need more time to work and get more money for DCA. I'm not fighting either. Screw that. Screw it. This market's manipulation anyway. I'm not fighting. Well, bulls. It looks like it's just me and you. We have no one who wants to fight with us. So let's see if we can hold this on the daily close today. We need to hold 23,224. Okay? On the 4-hour time frame, we want to get a bullish engulfing candle. I want to engulf every single bear. Sounds so wrong. I want to engulf Savvy. I want to engulf Java. So let's close above 23,323 and get that bullish engulfing candle on the 4-hour time frame. So bulls, spam the swords and spam the shields in the chats right now, and we will fight back and win this war. All right, there we go. There we go. You don't want to? What, you guys don't want to engulf Savvy? Come on. What's wrong with engulfing Savvy? What's wrong with that, guys? All right, let's watch this close, though. Let's get deep and dirty on this close. Engulf so many red candles? Seriously. Seriously. All right, 3 minutes. 3 minutes to fight, guys. 3 minutes to fight. We need all the bulls in here. Right? If there's any whales out there, you want to, maybe pump it up just a little bit to get an engulfing candle? That'd be nice. Just a little bit. Just a tad. Just a tad. Clint, are you out there? Can you pump it up just a tad, buddy? All right, let's see what we got. I got something you can engulf, you nut job. Oh, God. Clint, that's wrong, man. I don't want nothing to do with you. I only want... Oh, God. All right, here we go. This is going to come down to the wire, guys. 2 minutes. 2 minutes until the close. Where will we close here? We're still sitting back above the 200 weekly, so that's good at least. Still holding on to the... I want to close this candle green, man. I want nothing to do with the red candle right now. Nothing to do with this. Nothing. Still sitting below the wedge. Let's see what we got, man. I want nothing to do with the red candle. Nothing. I need FOMO for V-Chain. I'm sure you do, man. I think we need FOMO for everything. All right, let's see. Come on, BTC. Come on, BTC. Clint won't buy. He's sidelines guy. Yeah. Hey, it's okay. Clint, you don't own any crypto right now? None? Zero? Zilch? Oh, buddy. All right, let's see what we do here. 23,272. Oh, man, it's not looking good. Come on, pump it on the close, whales. Come on, whales. Ah, Lord. They're going to dump it right on the close, aren't they? I should have known. All right, let's see. 23,263. Here we go. Here we go. All right, all right. All right, the Bulls lost again, unfortunately. At least we closed above the 50, though. At the very, very least, we can say that we closed above the 50 EMA. At the very, very least, my friends. So there we go. We didn't get the engulfing candle, which is it's okay. It's okay. We can recover from this. Okay, we can cover. We're not all is not lost here in the cryptoverse. Hourly, we closed in the wedge. So overall, I mean, not the most bullish close that we wanted to see, but at least we closed above the 50. At the very, very least, okay? The daily looks sketch. Well, let's go back and look at a few different dumps. Okay? Let's go back and look at the last time we got back above the 50 EMA. Let's take a look. Yeah, this candle wasn't the greatest, but that's okay. It's actually kind of similar to the one we just had. And the one that we had up here, let's see. Yeah, not a lot of candles like that. At least above the 50 that we see. This one right here, maybe? Wick below. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy like that. Let's see what Bitcoin does in the open. Looks like we are coming down a little bit on the open, man. Let's see what we got. We are right at resistance, by the way. Spam prices with your 4. Let's see. All is lost. We're going to 0. Clint said I have 2 degen plays that you probably never heard of. Nice, dude. You got to go with the degen plays, man. The degen plays are where it's at. I'm just kidding. Not too many degen plays. You know what I mean? All right. Let's see what we do here, guys. Let's see what we do here. It's so exciting. Just in time for the daily close. All right, let's see what we do. 23,264. We're still waiting. Anything else really moving here on the altcoin front? 1630. So ETH, let's see what ETH did. Let's see what little ETH did. ETH was able to get back above the 50. Can it get more juice to the upside as well? That's obviously what we're waiting for as well. I mean, the good thing about Ethereum, at least for the time being, is it was able to hold these previous highs, right? So all these previous highs that we're trying to hold as support, you did, for now, hold them as support, all right? So we'll see. Obviously, it's kind of the same point as Bitcoin. If these previous highs break for Ethereum, I could see ETH coming back down to at least test this trend line here. Back at like 15, depends on where you come back down to, but at least down to like 1540. And at those breaks, at least down to 1485, which is the bottom of this vector candle and the previous lows for Ethereum. For BTC, really for BTC, if BTC gets rejected here, looking for a move back down to the bottom of the wedge again. Probably back down to like 22.7 or so. Depending on what we do here. Come on, little buddy. Come on, little buddy. We don't want Bob to come out and do that, you know? Let's see. Haven't heard the violin in ages. We haven't really got any like major dumpage on stream in a long time, which is good. Then we really haven't gotten too many pumps either. It's sort of just been, oh, let's hop on and then watch sideways action for a little bit. That's really what it's been. Let's see. Zigda said DXY is bouncing this week. Could be. Could be. We talked about that. You must have missed that section of the stream, my friend. you know what I mean? We got Pencil Neck coming in the chat. I love when the Pencil Necks come in the chat, man. You gotta love it, man. Here he is. Here he is. Look at this clown. Bullish. The DXY's pumping this week. You haven't even looked at the DXY. The DXY's pumping this week, you clown. It's gonna bounce. You seriously think we're gonna go back to the upside right now? Have you even looked at the DXY? This guy looks at crypto, doesn't even look at the DXY. What an idiot, man. What a literally an idiot. Get to your TA right, bro. Do your TA. Come on, buddy. You must have missed that section of the stream, man. We talked about this has been the point where the DXY has bounced. Okay? This is it. If it bounces back up right here, okay. Bitcoin's going back down to the downside, you know? Well, we got to see what happens here first. This could be the point where it comes back down, you know? You never know. You never know. Foreskin indeed. What's going on, Chris? Check the We Are Fear and Greed ads. Oh, God. After yesterday? Okay, we'll check them. CHG. It's probably going to be the same ones as yesterday since we talked about them. CHG is... Let's see. Let's see what we got. CHG's getting a nice move to the upside earlier today. The question is, what is it going to do now? It's at the same point, man. You know what I mean? Someone said I look like Vitalik with that filter. Oh, Lord. You got the higher highs. You got the lower highs coming in, right? So you could see a little pullback right here. All right, you got the big yellow vector candle to the downside. You know, this probably will have a little pullback. 1 hour time frame. Yeah, nothing really crazy. I mean, you got this big yellow fat vector candle to the downside, right? So I think this is more likely to come back down. Watch for a break of this level right here, 14.2. If that breaks, most likely coming back down to test the lows here. Right? Back down towards this range, like 12.2. If this level breaks right here, right? So be watching out for that, but I think this gets a pullback though. In all seriousness. All right, here comes Bitcoin, 23,304. Come on, BTC, stop playing with our hearts. Stop playing with our hearts, baby. All right, let's see the Fear and Greed ads. There were some sketchy ones yesterday, man. Let's refresh. Let's see what we got here. There were some really sketchy ones here, man. Let's see what we got. Could be anything, dude. Here we go. All right, we got the LASIK starting at $2,995. Okay, that's very cheap for LASIK surgery. There you go. Holy crap, I'm gonna need LASIK after this freaking white screen, dude. Oh my lord. Oh,
My eyes! My eyes! This is manipulation! I cannot see! How am I supposed to get wrecked now?
I cannot get wrecked with eyes. Wait, maybe I can smell the buttons. Can I smell them? Let's open up Robinhood and see if I can smell them, because I am now blind. Let's see. No, I don't smell enough FOMO yet. It's not time for me to buy. There's not enough FOMO on the screen. No, not enough FOMO. I'm blind. No, but this is literally so bright, man. Oh my god. Yeah, we got 256 gigabyte SSD. I don't even know what this one is, but I mean, whatever. Fear and greed. We're at 31. People are fearful. You know, people are still fearful. So yeah, there we are. No crazy ones today. Let's see. Horse guy looks like Crypto Lifer. Now I'm seeing it. Now I'm looking at it, man. That's so wrong. That's so wrong, man. I mean, to be fair, the horse guy kind of looks like me too. Right? I mean, to be fair. You said no? He said he looks like Lifer. Oh, man, that's the best one of the day. Yesterday it was, someone said it looks like, it's not George, it's Jorge. Let's see. Try dark mode, Mr. Programmer Guy. Listen, Clinty. Maybe you should complain to the Fear and Greed ads site manager, because they don't have dark mode, in all seriousness. I would, trust me, I don't want to be looking at that. I'm literally blind right now. I can't see shit. They all kind of look at you. Oh, man. Let's see. CHC. No, we'll go back to CHC. CHC. No, in all seriousness, man. I mean, listen. This is... listen, man. You got higher highs, lower highs on the RSI, right? So this is most likely to get a move back down to the downside. Once again, if it breaks 14.2 on this move to the downside, I'm looking for these lows down here, okay? This previous high, the bottom of this yellow vector candle at 12.3, right? And you got the 50 EMA coming in right at this level too. Right, so that seems like the most logical thing for me there. Looks like you're also about to get that 4-hour stock RSI cross, all right? So watch out for that. It pullback to me makes some sense there on CHC, my friend. All right. But yeah, I mean, that's really all I have to say about this one. It looks like a pullback is in store. All right. Now, it could just do something like this. To be fair, it could just do something like this. If we go to the hourly, right? And a lot of people think a pullback means you have to freaking dump. A pullback can also just be consolidation too. Like you could start forming some type of bull flag formation like this, right? And kind of oscillate in here. Wait for the 50 EMA to come back up. Try to bounce off of it and try to continue back up too. Right, it doesn't have to be a full-on dump. You can kind of just go sideways / slightly down, reset some of your indicators before you go back up to the upside, you know? So keep that in mind. Testimonials. Oh, God, man. Let's see. The testimonials. Do I need some testimonials too? I think I need some testimonials, man. Oh, man. Some testimonials. I need a good testimonial in the chat right now. All right, I'm going to stop. Anyways, let's continue on here. So 4 hours trying to come back up. Hourly's trying to come back up a little bit. Nothing crazy trying to come back up. Daily's still holding support here. I will say, like, until this breaks on a close, I don't mind where Bitcoin is, okay? Now, if this gets a close below this, it's a little shady, all right? I will definitely say that. Let's see what else we got going on here. So Gala's getting a pullback. This is due for a pullback. I think a 13% day for Gala. Not too shabby for all my Gala guys out there. So Gala's getting a nice pullback. It's probably, I mean, the 1 hour actually doesn't have any bearish div. 4 hour slight bearish div. All right. I mean, to be fair, I mean, this one looks like it has some room to run to the upside still. Bearing in mind that Bitcoin doesn't shit the bed. Okay. That's obviously bearing that in mind. What other alts? You guys want to look at any other alts? Let me know. Any alts that are doing something, just let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat. I'll pick some members, alts. If no members put it in the stream, I will. I'll just look at some other alts too. You know. Let's see. Don't do anything that guy. Listen, man. You won't find that from me, man. Josh said, I only trust Jordan, Tyler S., George, Crypto Love, Crypto Zombie, and Michael Saylor. Listen, I don't know what you're trusting me with, man, but, you know, if you want to trust me with just someone who just to hang out here and have a good time, I'm your guy, man. I'm your guy. I don't know, you know, as far as trusting me, it is what it is. Crunk said, Jordan needs testes, not testimonials. All right, you know what, buddy? It's time to fight, my friend.
Bruh.
Let's see. Soul, yeah, let's look at Soul. Soul's a good one. So Soul, I mean, Soul's just kind of doing a little nut job here. I don't even know what Soul's doing. Soul, it was just coming up in this little channel, right? I do think it's, you know, if you look at what Soul's doing, it's similar to Bitcoin in a way that it's just kind of consolidating, you know, up, you know, down, up, down, up, down, up. Right now, it's just kind of, you know, I don't even know what it's doing right now. It's just kind of getting back above the 50, below it, getting back above. You know, the question is this time, because last time I couldn't hold it, this time does it have enough juice to hold it and continue up to the upside, right? Let's look at some of the shorter term time frames here. Because the daily looks fine. There's no bearish divergence, anything on the daily. The 4 hour, yeah, I mean, the 4 hour looks not too shabby, man. You just got to see what we want to see play out. Because it looks like the same thing. You got back above the 50, you back tested the 50, now you want to see the continuation back up, right? And I bet if, yeah, the 4 hour stocks are crossed, ready to cross up to the upside. 1 hour time frame. Does I have our little wedge formation? Does I have a little wedge formation? Forming for good old Soul. Because we know we love wedgies in the chat. You know my favorite chart is the wedge formation, man. Oh, yeah. Oh, my Lord. You know what this makes me want to do. Come on, Soul.
Wow, look at Soul. Jordan is bullish, drawing a wedge. I am going all in right now on Soul. Pump it harder than you will ever do. Yes, I am rich, finally.
No, but Soul, we got our classic wedgie, man. We know we love our wedgies. Okay? Listen, these break up 68% of the time. I don't know what to tell you. If it's the other 32%, well, that's just bad luck. But the target is back up the top. Does it have enough juice to get back up there? Let's find out. But at least gotta say it's gonna break to the upside here. But we got, just like Bitcoin, we gotta get back over that 50 EMA. Right? We gotta do it, man. But I like the structure of Soul, man. I do. Let's go Team Horseface. Let's go Team Horseface, buddy. Come on, man. Manipulation for sure. So that's that. BTC. Look at BTC. Come on. I'm getting too hype right now. I think I gotta chill. I'm getting too hype. All right, BTC's at the 50 EMA again. Here we go. Let's see if it breaks out. Come on, buddy. Come on. I know what Bob's doing in the base room now. He's getting pumped for this. These little moves up right now. I see Bob. I see Bob right now. Bugs Bunny. How that panda said it, hey, Bugs Bunny. How me send it, man. I see Bob with the stupid TikTok dance. What was it, guys? Can you remind me what the other TikTok dance was? Remember the bad days we used to do that? It was really weird. It was really, really weird. Come on, BTC. Pump it. Pump it, pump it, pump it, pump it. Don't get rejected again here, man. Don't do it to me. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Back test the 50 EMA. Continuation up. Come on. 4 hour time frame. Back test the 50 EMA. Continuation up. Give me that, man. Now, I don't know if it's going to continue up, but let's find out. Let's find out. Let's see if it does. We got to get back over this stupid 50 right here, though, in the hourly. That's giving us a little bit of a pain in the ass. If this gets rejected, this is all for nothing. All for nothing. Solana coming back up. Come on, BTC. Crank that soldier, boy. Hey, you crank that soldier, boy. Why am I all green behind me, bro? There's literally thousands. What was the other one, man? No, the other popular one. You guys know which one it was. You're silly? I am a little silly. John said, calm down. You got me all hype over here. Listen, man. That's what we do here. We get a little hype. Why is this all jacked up now? I literally didn't even change anything. Hold on. I'm on, I guess. I was just sitting here and all of a sudden I'm glowing now. Okay, I guess we're just gonna glow. I guess that means that the green energy is coming out of me. I'm turning into Hulk. I farted too much? Oh, God. I did fart a lot yesterday. All right. So Solana still chilling. What else we got? Let's see what I got. Clint said, relax before you have an aneurysm on stream. I think I had one of those before on stream. I'm not going to lie. There was one time where I got so hype, and you guys probably didn't even realize it, but there was one time I got so hype on stream, and I was like, let's freaking go. And I was going hype, and I actually thought I was going to pass out. You guys probably didn't even know this. This was a long time ago. It was like last summer. And I was getting so hype, and I thought I was going to pass out. I'm dead serious, too. All right, let's see. Let's see what else we got. There's probably some other alts that are trying to come back up. Let's check out Matic. Yeah, Matic's right at resistance. You're going to see the same patterns on every altcoin, man. You know, we just connect the lows. We connect the highs. Bada bing, bada boom. Does it have enough juice to get us back up? We'll find out. Bitcoin right now rejected again off the 50. You're killing me, buddy. You're killing me. Can't get back above that level at the moment. No juice. No juice. Zero juice. BT Sizzle. Check out ETH. ETH tried to come up there in the 4-hour time frame. Looks like it also got a little rejection at the moment. That can change, though. Yeah, 1 hour. Got a big spike up to the 20. Got rejected. Let's see if it has enough juice to get you back up, though. Let's see. Bitcoin coming back down. Oh, small. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This is the other one that Bob used to do. Small waist, big... Small waist, pretty face with a big bag. What the heck did I just see? I'm scarred. I just saw Bob do small waist, pretty face with a big bank. He doesn't even have a big bank. I do. Because I'm rich. I have a big bank. And I also have a big ass. But yeah, I mostly have a big bank. Yeah, Bob, don't do that again. I'm scarred. I'm scarred. Just for you, you idiot. Small waist, pretty face with a big bang. Oh, God. I love when they fight. Those two are the best when they fight. I'm not going to lie. All right, here we go. ETH trying to come back up. ETH still got a lot of work to do, though. Right? ETH still got a lot of work to do. So we're still waiting on ETH. Maddox chilling. Shib. Little Shibanichi for all the Shibanichis out there. Shib's just kind of holding this 200 EMA. Nothing crazy. Daniel, what's going on, man? Thanks for the super chat. He said, can you look at XRP, please? And does it have vectors higher up? I'm pretty sure every alt has vectors higher up, man. What's going on with the video quality? I don't know what's going. I don't know why I'm glowing now. It's a little weird to me. Let's see. There we go. I'm not glowing anymore. Oh, now I'm glowing. I don't know why I'm glowing, man. All right, I can fix the glow. Is the glow bothering you guys? Let me know in the chat. Okay, that's good. There we go. I'm not glowing. I'm not glowing. Can we check XRP? We definitely can. I'm pretty sure every alt has vectors to the upside, man. Every alt. Let's see. XRP. any ones that you didn't take. Let's see. Looks like, to be fair, it looks like XRP actually has taken every vector candle on the daily time frame, which is very rare. You don't see a lot of alts like that. There's one here, like 63 cents, right? There is one there. But I mean, listen, it doesn't mean that you can't go back up there if there's no vector candle, right? Doesn't mean that you can't. Because if you look at the downside, there's none down here either, right? There's none down here either. So it doesn't have to come back down either. But at the same point, if there's none to the upside, doesn't mean there's no way you can go back up there, right? There's none. That doesn't matter. Right now on XRP, what I'll say about XRP, if we look at this was the big flip level right here. You see this level right here on XRP? We extend this over like this. As of right now, you're holding this. This could change, right? But as of right now, as we speak, okay? You got previous support, flip it into resistance, okay? Right here, previous support, flipping into resistance. No, these are not what you think they are. Don't be weird in the chat, okay? These are not what you think they are. They're not nipples. They're not balls, okay? We dipped back down. We were able to reclaim this level. And as of now, we are holding that as support. And we're also able to get back above the 50 EMA with some volume. So right now, you do have a nice previous resistance flipping into support. The question is now, can you hold it? Is the question, right? That's the big question that we're all waiting for probably. Daily's fine, no bearish div. 4 hour, you are getting across to the upside, which is really, really nice. If you actually look at the 4 hour cross and the RSI to the upside there, looks like you are trying to come back up on the shorter term time frames. We really want to see this break for XRP. Same thing for Bitcoin, man. If you look at, a pattern that it could be drawn right now, some type of bull flag, falling wedge, whatever you want to call it, man. This is probably more of a, it's not really a bull flag. It's a little bit too long. A little bit too long, as they would say, for a bull flag. But if you did want to do some measure move, right, to the lows of that move, to the highs, it does give you a measure move up to like 42 cents. Nothing crazy, but I do like that flip of support there. For now. We'll see if it holds, though. Bitcoin still chilling. E still chilling. Everything chilling like a villain. Let's see. It must be an alien. All right, so you guys have officially agreed. Everyone agreed that I should get Indian food tonight. Does everyone agree? Everyone agrees across the board. It has to be a consensus decision. There could be no arguments that Jordan cannot get Indian food tonight. Okay? Chicken tikka masala or lamb vindaloo? I need to know. Can you look at Clint? What is that, buddy? Is this one of your DGen plays?
Can you look at BAM?
Let's see. You got a lot. DGen plays are fun, man. Listen, I'm all about the DGen plays. BAM. Let's see. Do they have it on here? Is it bamboo? Clint, is it bamboo? Let me know in the chat. I'll check you in a second. Let me know. Is it bamboo? Yeah? Awesome. All right. Indian food it is, because that's what I'm getting tonight. Is it bamboo, Clint? Clayton, what's going on, buddy? Good to see you. Is it bamboonium? Is it bamboonium or bamboo? I don't know which one it is. There's also a bamboo. Lamb? What's up? All right. Bitcoin. Bitcoin's teasing us, guys. Teasing us. Garlic naan? Oh, garlic naan is good, man. Lambu? Try an Indian taco? Oh, that sounds delicious, man. That sounds pretty good. That sounds pretty good. Look at the DXY. Man, this is going to be the telltale sign, man. This is going to be the big takeaway this week, guys. We got to watch this week. I think this is going to tell us a lot of what's to come. Is the DXY going to bounce off the 50 EMA in this trend line? Or is the DXY going to finally break the trend line it's had since January? This is going to be the big takeaway this week. The big takeaway. All right? What do you guys think is going to happen? You guys think we hold this level right here? and continue back up, which probably means crypto goes back down? Or do you think this breaks out to the downside, which probably means that most assets go to the upside? Let me know. Let me know what you think. Which way do you think this goes? Let me do a poll. Let me do a poll work. Because this, we can talk Bitcoin charts all we want. It's just the question of, what do you think is going to happen here in the DXY? Will DXY bounce or break support? Let's see. Bounce, break. Let me ask you guys in the chat. This is going to be the, like, we can talk Bitcoin charts all we want, okay? But this is going to be what tells us what the next move is going to be. I'm super late. Bounce. Let's see. Bounce. Everyone's saying bounce. We do have a red vector candle there, which you don't really have too many red vector candles on the DXY. Actually, you don't have any, actually. That's quite frankly. Oh, you know what it is? It's because I had the chart up. If I actually refresh this chart, you probably won't see it on there. That's why. Never liked the DXY much. Me either, buddy. Me either. I don't like the DXY either, man. Drew said XRP sucks. There he is. There's my guy, Drew. What's going on, buddy? Good to see you. Good to see you in the chat. Drew, how you feeling right now, bud? How you feeling right now, bud? All right, let's see. Bitcoin still holding the same range. ETH still holding the same range. I saw a poll before he typed. I think there's like maybe a 5 to 10 second delay on the stream, man. It's about to bounce at this moment. You think so? We'll see. All right, it's right at the 50 EMA. It all depends on the close tomorrow. So what it does right now, I guess, doesn't really matter. But will it hold? Let's see. 120 DXY. Okay, so Drew's saying up. Drew's saying up. Will the DXY bounce or break support? We got 172 votes. 52% said bounce. 48% said break. All right, so interesting. Interesting, man. We'll see. This is more short-term shit. Like, we could break this, come back down to the next support, and then bounce back up. This is more short-term stuff. But I think this is good for longer-term stuff, too. All right. All right, guys. So, I mean, we're kind of just chillaxing at the moment. Chillaxing. All right? Let's actually bring up one more thing I want to take a look at. This is a longer-term thing. This is, you guys know this is something I'm looking forward to here. This is the 2-week market cipher chart. Look at the 2-week market cipher chart, man. And listen, this is just one indicator, okay? But we've only seen, I will say this again, we've only seen 3 green dots on this indicator at the levels that we have in history, okay? And this is a momentum indicator, so it's not like the freaking MA extension we looked at earlier, right? This means that to the downside, you might be losing a little bit of momentum. This could change, right? Black Swan, some crazy news can change this. But it looks like this, if we can close this week somewhat with any momentum, it doesn't even have to be a massive week. If we can just even get a little bit of a green week next week, it looks like this is about to cross back over, man. All right? And you're going to paint that 2-week green dot. All right? You got one right here in 2018. Obviously led to a nice rally in 2019. And then you had 2 down here in 2015, which is obviously at the lows in 2015. So this is going to be interesting to see where we actually, if this actually paints here. It's going to be very, very interesting. So let's see. You got one little close fake out. And this is why I say be careful, though. Be careful. Wait for the confirmation, because right here you almost had it. Right here, see on this big green candle to the upside on the 2-week, you almost had the crossover right here. But you dumped. All right? You dumped. Right there. What's up? Can you check pussy? Let's see. I FOMO'd in when you used to talk about it. DXY has possibly topped out. DXY tells truth. Love it or hate it. We'll see. I mean, no one really knows. I mean, news can change that in any second, but we'll see if that tops over. What boring price action? It's a little bit boring. Actually, it was actually decent price action. We just got rejected. So that defeated the whole purpose of the stream, I guess. Everything's still kind of just chilling. So 50-50, the DXY topped out. 50-50. We're sitting right on top of the 50 EMA by this being. Let's see. Can you check puss? Do they have pussy coin on here? Let's see. I still own some pussy. It sounds so wrong.
Jordan, where did you get pussy? Where do I get some pussy? I want to own some of that too. Where do I get that?
Oh, man. Let's see. Everyone's fighting inflation? That's true, Clint. It's very true, bud. All right. What was it? Do they have that on here? Oh, I think they do have it, actually. Let's see. Oh, God. Wait, is this actually it? I can probably tell by the chart. No, this ain't it. I'm gonna get off this, man. I probably shouldn't be having that on the stream. Probably should have that word on the stream, man. Let me check it on CoinMarketCap. Let's see. I think it's this one right here. Let's see. Yeah, GG. GG. This is all you need to know on this one, man. Goodbye. Oh, Lord. Maybe one day we'll get this again. You remember back in the days when this pumped like this, dude? Those were the days. This is actually not that long ago. Man. I remember when this pumped, like, did like a freaking, like, 40x in, like, 3 days. Those are the days. When the altcoins were just popping off. You'd have a new 40x altcoin in a day. Every day. But, yeah. Good luck, man. Good luck. I think I still own that in some random Ethereum wallet somewhere. And I think it's such a low amount now that it's not. It costs me more to transfer it out of there than for me to just hold it. So I think I'm just holding it now. I think at one point I tried to transfer it back to ETH, and it cost me more ETH to transfer it to ETH, back to ETH, than it would just be holding the damn coin. So I said, screw it. I'm just gonna hold the damn coin, man. That's all you can do at that point. All right, guys. I'm probably going to call it a stream on that point. Make sure, like I said, guys, make sure you guys join the Discord. I'm going to post the Discord link in here. Go to the context section in there. If you guys want to win, right, you have until tomorrow afternoon to put your best guess for the weekly close for Sunday. Okay, the winner gets a prize. To be TBD. It'll be worth your time. Go put it in there. Discord link to the chat. The context section. Put your guess for the weekly close to the dollar of what you think Bitcoin's going to close on the weekly. All right? Contest section in the Discord. All right. Catch you guys later. Have a fantastic night. I'm going to go get some Indian food and enjoy the rest of the night, my friends. It's a nice night out, by the way. It's like finally not hot as shit, which is awesome, dude. Right? It's friggin' awesome. It's not hot as shit tonight. You got to love it. All right, enjoy the rest of your Monday. Let's see what Bitcoin does. Coming back down a little bit right now. We'll see. We'll see at the end of the day. All right, adios, guys. Don't do anything I'm going to do. Don't panic, sell your crypto. And most of all, don't panic, sell your crypto. Peace out, guys. Kennedy, before Kennedy goes, he said, just kidding. I don't FOMO. Yeah, don't FOMO. Don't FOMO. Don't FOMO. Don't FOMO. Don't FOMO, man. It's the #1 rule in this channel. We can get hyped over the gains, but don't FOMO. Don't FOMO. Don't FOMO. All right, adios, guys. Peace.